Now, you also want to show up to your venue, the place that you're giving the presentation, about an hour early. Seniors like to get there early, so you're going to need some time to set up everything, put all your materials down. If you have food that's going on or drinks, you want to make sure that that is all ready to go about a half an hour before people walk in, because they will start walking in about a half an hour before. Sometimes this is the only thing they're going to do that day, so they can be excited, and it also gives you time to sit with them and talk with them when they come into the meeting a little bit early, so you can build some rapport.